I've got a tip for you today that will change the way that you organize your day, the way that you're going to be able to have the successful outcomes of your day, and the way that you're going to be able to impress people and ultimately make more money. Those tips are coming right here shortly, but make sure to subscribe to our channel. Make sure to click that ringy bell notification so that you're notified every single time that we push content out. Here's the tip. Use your calendar app on your phone. All mobile phones have calendar apps that are so incredible that allow you to literally set your appointments, your jobs, any kind of scheduling that you want to do. You can set them up with a title. You can set them up with a date and time. You're able to invite somebody who might be meeting you and or a customer that you might be working with. They'll be notified. It will be in their schedule. And you can set an alert in there as well that will allow you to get notified 15 minutes before, 30 minutes before, 45 minutes, an hour, whatever before, so that you're notified. You can create it as an ongoing event every, as much as you'd like as well. So if it's a Tuesday at 10 a.m., you could set that as a repeat every Tuesday at 10 a.m. That calendar app has changed my life, the way that I keep organized and the way that I'm able to output my on-time scheduled work, meetings, etc. It allows me to be more efficient, more effective. I impress people when I'm on time, and it allows me to ultimately make more money. Please do share this out to your social media in case you know somebody that might have some challenges relating to scheduling. I'm sure this can help them out. And for now, have a beautiful day. Let's go pound the pavement.